that there is no deliberate intention. Even the reforms we are proposing, the proposals we are making, are just making sure that all citizens in this country are safe. Now, I think the issue that you, Honorable Chairman, you raised with regard to the role of interior and defense, Kenya is a democracy, but there are certain institutions that make us even stronger. One of those institutions is our national defense. There are certain things that we must protect, not protecting them from ordinary citizens, but they could threaten our security, which could in turn hurt the same citizens. So there are certain matters that must be dealt with at defense level so that they don't escape into the hands of private citizens or even visitors, because this country has visitors who come in and they have no business listening to our defense planning and many things. So every citizen, it should be in the interest of this country that every citizen protects things that make our defense system strong, because that is the basis of our existence.
Implementation of this act, even in its current form, we would be able to move towards an area of more hygiene within the interwebs and more hygiene in the digital space. Again, the responsibility is upon every member of the public and every user of available avenues, platforms, and technology to make sure that they are walking and working within the confines of the law, because as it would be, the law of this country is the law of this country.